Wait. No, no, no! Where is it? My shadow is gone! Don't worry, Shadow. I'm coming for you. Rosie, have you seen my shadow?
Your what? My shad one.
Oh, my down one.
That's a carrot. Oh, then no.
Aha! I heard there's a missing person, even worse.
It's my yours.
Oh! Leave this closed anyway.
What? Professor, my shadow disappeared. Can you help?
Perhaps not.
Great!
Tell me, when did you last see it? And when did it vanish?
This morning.
Interesting.
What's interesting?
I have absolutely no idea.
Maybe it left me. Maybe I wasn't a good owner. Wait. Shadow! You came back!
It never left.
What?
Without light, there is no shadow.
So it was here the whole time?
Exactly.
I searched the